Hello everyone, we are going to solve the ICT paper May-June 2023 variant 22. So let's start with the Word document. First of all, let's prepare the evidence document. He said open the file evidence. So already I created folder, I named it working area, and I saved inside it the source files. So let me open the evidence one. Enable editing. Okay. So the question here, font size. Yeah. So let's start. Make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page of the document. He said to appear, so we can add them in the header or footer. So for me, I will add them in the header. So from the insert tab, go to the header, choose the 3 columns, add your name, center number, candidate number. The center here, I don't need this one. I don't need this one. Yeah, save the document in your working area as evidence followed by your candidate number. So it's up to your candidate number. Evidence plus your candidate number. For me, as I don't have candidate number, I will use the same name that they gave. But for you in the exam, you have to set evidence and followed by your candidate number. I will save it in my working area. Sorry, working area. Here. Don't forget to save it as Word document, okay? And here set the name that they asked. And that's it. Okay. So we finished from the evidence. Let's go to the Word. You are going to edit document about virtual cycling. The company uses corporate house style. Anyhow, let's start from the step number 1. Using suitable software means Word. Open the file virtual. So again, go to the virtual. This is the source folder. Virtual. Here we go. Yes. So we open the RTF file. The page setup is set to A4 and the orientation is landscape. 2.5 centimeters margins. He said, don't make any changes, so nothing to change. 3 paragraph styles have already been created. They created, yeah, you can see here some styles created here. Don't make any changes to them. Save the document in your work area and set the name. Set this particular name. So file, save as, browse in your working area here. Beside the evidence file, beside the evidence file here. Don't forget to save it as Word, the first option, and set the name. Virtual cycling, save. Make sure that it is saved in the same format of the software, means as Word. Okay. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the file has been saved. Make sure that there is evidence of the file type. Okay, so they want me. I will open the my working area. Yeah, what they want to check if I set the name of the Word document as virtual cycling, V-cycling, plus the type that it is Word, okay? If the type option is not there, you can simply right-click over here and just make sure that the type is ticked, okay? Anyhow, open the snipping tool, go to new, and simply you can take a screenshot like that. Open your evidence file, add it here. Control V. Okay, done. Next step, number 2. Place in the header of a visa link document the text report by, followed by a space and your name, comma, center number and candidate number. So to the right side. So it is header. In the header, go to the insert tab, go to the header, go to choose the 3 columns. They want it to the right side, so delete here, go to here, write report by, then space, don't forget the space, and your name, comma, center number and candidate number. Right aligned. Okay, place in the footer. So go to the footer here, what they want, the automated page numbers, right aligned. Go to footer, 3 columns, right aligned. So delete here, go to the right, set the mouse here, go to the page number. I am still in the design tab, page number, current position, and you can choose any style you prefer. For me, I will use the first one, then close. So I added my name here and center number, candidate number, and I added like the page number, both of them in the right. Here is the header, here is the footer. Both of them should be in the right side. Make sure all the alignments by the page margins, no other text or placeholder are included in the header or footer. Headers and footer are displayed on all pages here, and it is correct. Let's go up. Select the subheading benefits here, and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending with being developed continuously. So from benefits till ending being developed. Where is the being developed? If you didn't find it, I can search. Where is it? Yeah, here. Being developed continuously. Yeah. So you can simply, if you didn't find the text, press Ctrl and F together, then set the text that you are searching for, and that's it. Change the page layout. So the text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with 2 centimeters space between them. Go to the layout tab, to the columns, to more columns. I want 2 columns and the space in between 2 centimeters. Make sure that the unit is centimeter, not inch. Okay, just double check 2 centimeters to 2 centimeters. Yes, okay, so that's it. Go to step number 4, create and store the following style based it on the default normal paragraph. So he asked me to paste it on the normal paragraph. This is style for subhead. So for me, again, I will repeat the same point. Don't set the mouse any place here, because once you set the mouse here and start to create the style, the styles will apply over this particular area. So for me, it's better to go to the end of the document, set the mouse here and just create the style here, so it will not affect after creating it. Or as it is subhead, you can set it over the subhead. This is the subhead and this is another subhead. So set the mouse over it and start to create the styles. Okay, so I set the mouse over the subheading here. Go to the home tab, how to create style. It is from the styles group. Click here, new style, name the style, Ctrl V. It's based on change here to be based on normal. Okay, and the font size is serif times New Roman. It is the most common one, and the font size is 16, so just make it 16. and the alignment is center, and it is bold and italic, and the line spacing, how to get the line spacing and space after and before is from the format here. Go to the paragraph, the line spacing single, the space before 0, the space after should be 8. So just change this one to be 8, okay? And that's it. Before closing it, I want to take screenshot as evidence. Go to the snipping tool, take screenshot for this particular area, okay? I will paste it in the evidence file. Just click OK. You can see like it's applied over the subhead. Then go to the evidence, Control V, and that's it. Yeah, we set it in the evidence, identify the 4 subheadings. This is the first one. We need to apply the subhead, the VC subhead over them. They are 4. So another subhead. And here is another one. Subhead, still 1. Equipment. Okay. So it's fine. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number 5, identify, already we applied. Number 6, locate and move in the paragraph. Cycling is an excellent, so that appears as a new paragraph immediately after the subheading benefits. Cycling is an excellent, this is the paragraph that they ask it, right? They want me to move it. Okay, move it means cut. Control X. Where to add a new paragraph immediately after the subheading benefits. So here. Okay. Yeah. So it should be like that. Okay, a new paragraph after the benefits. So it's fine now. Yeah, so finish from step number 6. Step number 7, import the image cyclist and place it in the paragraph beginning cheating. So here we have to set the image. Okay, how to insert the image is from the insert tab, pictures, and here is our image. Rotate the image 180 degrees. So select the image, go to here, rotate 90, another 90. So that's it. 90 plus 90 equal 180. Format the image so the it's resized to width of 4 centimeters and maintain aspect ratio. Right click over the image size, change the width to be 4 centimeters. By default, the aspect ratio is maintained, so nothing to do. It's aligned to the right of the columns, so to the right side, not to the left side. And top and the text wrap. Adjust the text to wrap. The best option here is square. Now I want to move the image so to the right side. Can you see the guiding lines, the vertical and horizontal guiding lines? It will help me to adjust the exact position of the image. So yeah, here it is to the top and right of the paragraph, and the text wraps around the image. So done. Question 10, go to the table. This is a table. Format the first row. It looks like that. So I need to add shading. Yeah, this is the gray shading that they want. Sort the data in the table from Asia to the rest of the world into descending order of the download growth. So the descending order based on the download growth. So highlight the values that you want to order them. As I told you before, everything related to the table, you can find them in these 2 tabs that will appear once you set the mouse over the table. So yeah, from the layout, you can go, it is maximized, you will find sort them into descending order. Okay, then okay. Yes, now it's sorted. Insert a new row as the last row. of the table. Simply how to add to insert row. You can set the mouse here at the end, right click, then you can select insert row below. Or another option, it's from the layout. Can you see here? I have here the options for rows and columns. I can insert row above, I can insert row below this particular row, below it or above it, or I can insert columns to the left, columns to the right. For me, I need to insert row before, row below. Now copy the values and paste it here. 7% and 19. Yeah. Apply the VC table to the rows 2 till 8. So 2 till 8. I want to apply VC table. So yeah, VC table. Done. All the borders, the table borders. Sorry, I am here. Okay, apply to rows 1 to 8, 3. So the whole table. Okay, external border with no internal, so they don't want internal border, just external border, and the width of the external borders 3 to 4 points. Okay, so highlight the table. Yeah, go to here, borders, last option, only the box, and the width should be between 3 and 4. Yeah, and that's it. There is 8 point after. See the table borders and all the data fit within the column width. So you can either from layout go to auto fit, make it fit to the window. Okay, so yeah, nothing outside. Can you see? Yeah, here, nothing. So the table fit the column width. They want 8 points after the table. 8 points after the table means 8 points before this paragraph. Before this paragraph, I will add 8 points, and that's it. Spell check and proofread the document, and that's it. Check, make sure that there is no orphan, no widow, no blank areas. So let's have a look. Let's ignore here. You can see no widow, no orphans. Ignore this one. No blank pages, and that's it. If you are happy with your document, just save it, and that's it. Thank you for watching.